Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to fix if you are not get any Gmail notifications. If you are not receiving any Gmail notifications, you can check a few things. First you need to check Do Not Disturb mode and Battery Saver mode. If both options are turn on, off it's. Because these two things can actually block any notification on your device. Now check Gmail notification settings. We can go to notification settings in different systems. On any system you go to Gmail notification settings. Check here if Allow Notifications option is on according to your device system. And also check in the Mail option notification display status bar is on, make sure the ringtone is set or there will be no sound when the notification comes. If the Do Not Disturb option is on, turn it off. Hopefully after checking these things the notification issue will be resolved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.